Let's do this.
You're the ones who are driving innovation and moving the industry forward. Or you need better solutions, a way to seamlessly connect data from design all the way through to operations. This is the new era of connected construction, and we call this Autodesk Construction Cloud.
They've taken all these best-in-class solutions, that's Assemble, that's Building Connected, that's BIM 360, and that's PlanGrid, and they've filled in all the gaps.
I think from my perspective, it'll be nice to have things in one place to make it easier to communicate with all the other sub-trades that I'll be talking to, and also the GCs and mechanicals.
And that covers everything from pre-construction, design, construction, and operations.
One thing everyone in the industry struggles with is having everything in one neat little package, and I think, from what I heard, it seems to be going in the right direction.
What's really awesome about Connecting Construct Summit here today at Autodesk University in Las Vegas is that there's so many fun things to do in the village. You can learn about the brand new Autodesk Construction Cloud, you can visit our partners and actually get your caricature drawn. There's a VR station, there's a porta potty station where you can go in and make a confessional, and there's other porta potties set up where it's an infinity room, so I don't want to spoil the surprise. There's just a lot of fun stuff to do here. Game areas, photo booths, anything you want really.
I'm here with my partner, my BFF, with whom I share my life. We've just seen the general session speeches, and they were great. It was actually really inspiring. I think my favorite one was the woman who was speaking about using technology to reconstruct homes throughout the world to make living situations far better from how they currently are.
I loved working with my hands. I could see what I'd accomplished at the end of the day.
It's looking pretty good. I've made lots of friends, and yeah, now we're about to tour the expo. Let's go. Let's do it.
So it looks at the picture.
Yeah.
And then it's superimposing.
I totally love AutoCAD.
That's so cool.
That's awesome. All right. Yeah.
So just got done walking the exhibition hall. There were a lot of really cool things in there. Was very excited to see some of the products and services that vendors along with Autodesk are offering to us. It's a really big event. Had a nice walk to class, getting the steps in, exercise. It's really great going to all of these classes and that we have so many people within the industry that are willing to knowledge share and make sure that we're taking this industry from the lower level of productivity to the higher level. So really happy that we have such a strong, powerful community here that's willing to help with that.
I believe that better starts here.
So one of the things I'm really excited about with regards to the Construction Cloud is the way it's connecting what's done in our design tools intimately what's happening into the construction process. So it's actually moving from design through pre-construction all the way to site execution and everything in between, and it's bringing it all together in the cloud. And that's going to solve some enormous workflow and productivity problems. As more and more people use the Construction Cloud, we're going to deliver predictive analytics on top of that help people make better decisions before they start the projects. All of those things come together, and it just makes the Construction Cloud one of the most exciting things Autodesk has done.
Got the opportunity to come to Autodesk University. It's been a phenomenal experience. All the vendors, all the software providers, just got to think about how do we apply some of these new ideas and concepts to what we do in our business. Autodesk would be a great partner that we're looking forward to work with over the next few years. All right, guys, good chatting with you. I got to catch a flight, so see you later.
Yeah? Okay.
So okay.